Thanks for booking a lesson with the AA Driving School. This video has been put together to give you some idea of what to expect during our lessons. Hopefully this will ease any concerns you have about keeping safe during your lesson, as well as the controls of an AA training vehicle to help you progress your skills, making you a safe, capable and confident driver. Achieving your driver's license is an important step to gaining your independence. Training vehicles have several features that an ordinary car does not. The first thing you'll notice are extra mirrors. These are for the instructor to also be able to see the rear of the vehicle and check that you as the student learn and carry out the required head checks to always make you aware of the traffic around us. The second feature is that we have dual control with a brake and accelerator in the left front seat. This gives the instructor control over the vehicle in the event of a student error or the actions of other motorists. The instructor may also take control of the wheel if they deem the vehicle to be in danger of not being in the correct lane position. The third feature is a camera which records everything ahead of us and to the rear. The system that the AA uses is independently monitored if needed. The camera also records our conversation to give the student, parents and supervisors the confidence that everything that is discussed is professional. All footage is recorded on encrypted SD cards and can only be accessed by authorised AA personnel on a secure device in the event that a review is necessary. Students can be assured that to gain a driving instructor's endorsement, all applicants are police vetted. Most of the vehicles also have a light-up display showing our speed. This gives the instructor the ability to always keep their eye on the road. Practice between lessons is crucial to gaining the experience needed to achieve your licence. It is recommended that a student should have at least 120 hours driving time to be ready for their restricted licence test. Practicing with your professional instructor and supervisor, someone with a full licence for a minimum of 2 years, is key to progress. Your instructor will create an individual training plan based around your skill level, use appropriate locations to conduct the lesson, and record your progress. So parents and supervisors can monitor progress. A checklist after each lesson is emailed to the student, and it is available on their account profile. Recommendations on what needs to be worked on between lessons will be part of that. If a parent or supervisor wish to sit in on a lesson, most instructors welcome this, as it helps demonstrate what we are teaching. If you have any questions, please contact your driving instructor directly or call 0800 500 444.